Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix this template isn't available. Try another one on CapCut. So you do have to go to settings first, and then you are going to go to general. After that you are going to select language and region, and make sure you have selected the region you are currently in. So I'm just going to select Indonesia for mine. Then make sure your VPN is off. So go to VPN and device management and make sure everything is turned off so it's not connected. And honestly, that is basically it really. If it's still not there, it's probably just a bug in the app. You can reinstall it, or you can find templates from TikTok. There's a lot of videos on that. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!